Yeah, good evening, all traders out there, and welcome to the session. Hi, day trader. How was your day? I think सवेरे हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था अगर मार्केट गैप अप खुलता है तो 15 मिनट शांति से बैठते. Let's not get too excited about the tariff and all. Did it work? Let me know. Okay. So before we start the session, let me read out the disclaimer. This is for educational and informational purpose only and does not constitute any financial advice. Yeah, Rajendra ji says yes, fine. So these are small things as a trader you keep in mind. And anyhow, we are meeting twice a day. So we are always preparing, planning, making a plan, and then approaching the markets, fine. हम लोग emotionally trade नहीं कर रहे. We have all the plan in place. So I have made the plan for 24th, which is tomorrow. So we are doing it today. So date is always mentioned of today. Yeah, it would be better if I make it tomorrow. So it was my mistake. Generally, we keep it the same day. So I have made a complete plan of Nifty. Nifty अभी भी sideways में stuck है. Pattern channel का है. Support resistance हमने define किया है. Price congestion is just not going away till जब तक भाव price congestion में रहते हैं, friends. You will face hiccups in the swing. Let's check the open interest build up and the cumulative OI straddle price and let's see what lies ahead. So चलिए निफ्टी में चलते हैं charts पे. So market has closed. This is the price chart of Nifty. So let me go and open Nifty. Yeah. Nifty अगर देखिए तो दो जगह से stuck है. First one, there is a channel over here. एक बार चैनल दिखता है, that means एक range में volatility is defined and market moves as per the moves. Second is अभी भी काफी sideways है, last low नहीं टूटा है and it has not breached the last high also. So in context of a price action, ये resistance अभी भी intact है market में. So just let me, yeah. So this resistance from this high is still intact. आज भी morning में we had decided this only that this resistance will come into play if all traders who were there in the pre-opening session will be recalling it. Yes. So this resistance is going to stay for a day or two. Let's see how market takes us out with a strong move. Or again, we might just gyrate within that 2.5% range what we are seeing. And first is the channel plus the resistance. जो second nifty में face हो रहा है उसको हम price congestion बोलते हैं. As a trader, जब भी भाव price congestion में आता है ना तो आपको वो चीज का ध्यान रखना है. So 50 दिन का average है, which is the 50 DMA, is acting as a resistance. Downside में in volatility, your 200 DMA is acting as a support. अभी भी market दोनों के बीच में है. So once prices are in between two important averages, here is 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. That entire range acts as a price congestion. So which says that compression is building up within this band. How long the compression will last, which means how long the sideways will last till we don't get a breakout. Over here, the sideways congestion will last. So the momentum part and the trend part is very, very clear for the Nifty. The move is channelized till resistance don't break. The sideways price action which we are stuck in right now is likely to continue. In between, आपको intraday में एक support pick करना, एक resistance pick करना. Like before we started the session today in the morning, we said go to the hourly charts after market open. I think day trader you were there today. And we said let market come and cool off in the opening gap. ये gap बना था, it cool off. And there you had a small little spike. Am I right or wrong? Day trader, you were there. So बहुत सोच के संभल के और प्लान आउट करके ट्रेड करना है. बहकावे में मत आओ, टैरिफ निकल गया, this happened. News will be part and parcel of the market and it will remain. But you as a trader, follow the price action, prepare your plan and act as per the plan. So right now, these two levels will be intact. Extreme micro हम अगर जाते trading में, so this base over here is going to be your support. I think I have deleted right extension. 1 second. Yeah, is there. So ये जो 60 minutes का base है, ये immediate support होता है till it's not breaking. And this 60 minutes high over here is going to be your immediate resistance. As a trader, you will see volatility, you will see choppiness, and you will see swings both up and down within this range, which is 25,600 to 25,800. मतलब आज के भाव से 100 पॉइंट ऊपर 100 पॉइंट नीचे मार्केट का रेंज डिफाइंड है and looks quite obvious because कल आपकी निफ्टी की वीकली एक्सपायरी इज आल्सो देयर. So let's see whether market expires within this range or not. But the support and resistance are clearly defined. Do you all agree, friends? It is very crystal clear. अगर आप चार्ट पे देखो प्राइस एक्शन पे तो क्लियरली दिख जा रहा है. Wherever there is a base is a support. Wherever there is a base on the upside before the decline is the resistance. So that's what Nifty is looking like. And open interest की बात अगर हम करते हैं, let me go back to our Stocko Incred Money Insta Options platform. And I will go to OI statistics. कल की एक्सपायरी है एटीएम में तो ऑलवेज स्टैडल वाले ट्रेड्स के द पोजीशन विल बी देयर बट इफ यू सी अवे फ्रॉम द करंट प्राइस ऑन द कॉल साइड यू कैन सी अ बिग टावर which is the call side 25,800. So 25,800 there is a call build up OI build up of 1.47 crores which is not a small but it's a huge number. Till 25,800 is not taken out, let's accept is the resistance going forward tomorrow. If it takes out, then let's consider a breakout for 50, 100 points. Even that time, you can judge on based on where the oil distribution is happening. Right now, 25,800 का एक strong resistance है. After that, market is quite light all the way till 26. And on the put side, immediate is you have 25,600 and 25,500. So 625 600 and 25 800 का immediate range है. Tomorrow, let's say which side it is breaking to give us that 50 or 80 point spike, either on the upside above 25.8 or on the downside below 25.6. That's how markets are. And if we see the PCR is more or less evenly balanced point, I guess 97 or 93 hoga, we'll check. But the OI in the call is build up is 21.21 crores. And the OI in the put is 20.62 crores. So it says both the call writers and the put writers are evenly balanced out in the markets as far as the OTM strikes are concerned, both for calls and the puts. And अगर straddle price देखते हैं तो थोड़ी volatility घटी है. 162 का straddle price है, which is we take at the money call and at the money put. So even straddle price is around 150 200 points range on the markets, and the chart data is showing 25.8 to 25.6. Let's see which side is breaking. So let me sum up Nifty for you. So Nifty for tomorrow, which is 24th, is we have seen the pattern chart in terms of trend is sideways. The chart pattern is there is a channel resistance 25,823, support is 25,6 के नीचे. See 25,8 and 25,6 are we are taking from the OI build up on call and put. अगर price resistance यहाँ पे देखते हैं तो 25,823 का ऊपर में और सपोर्ट अगर 25,600 के नीचे पुट का स्ट्राइक देते हैं 25,572 पे. So these are the two support and resistance from the price action. Technical study abhi bhi intact hai, which is the price congestion from 20 and 200 DMA. So market has not gone away anywhere. Let's wait for further clues. OI build up we saw 25,800 पे काफी कॉल में बिल्ड अप है और 25,600 में पुट बिल्ड अप है. Let's see which strike market. Either market is likely to stay within this range or one side, let's see which side it gives us that 50-60 points spike. And the PCR is 0.97. Call or puts are more evenly balanced out with straddle price at 163. And 163 straddle price is quite normal one day before expiry. So it's not telling us any untoward big volatility or something like that. मैंने देखा 50 से 65 के बीच में एक दिन पहले का straddle price रहता, but ये इंडिकेशन देता कि इतना मूव इसके आसपास का मूव आ सकता है. और कमेंट्री में प्राइस कंजेशन रहेगा. It's not running away up, it's not running away down, it's hop and a jump both on the dips intraday and on the spikes intraday. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty का जो strength है वो intact है. But remember one thing, Bank Nifty, the moment it goes towards the all-time high, it's getting heavy. आज भी अगर बैंक निफ्टी देखिए, ये जोन अभी तक बैंक निफ्टी ने क्रॉस किया नहीं है. So as a trader, you have to keep this in mind, which is that the previous tariff open and that day's high. जब तक if till these set of sellers are not taken out in the market, we will see hiccups every time prices go there. अगर आपको ये level पता हो आज 61.4 और 61.7 का, today it went up. वहां से भी एक 200 पॉइंट का झटका दिया. How many of you took advantage of it? So the resistance levels are known as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, but Bank Nifty में अभी भी एक higher low और higher high का sequence intact है, which means that till this high is not crossing, any dip are likely to get support around the last low. Only once this low एक बार low निकलता है, then only you can conclude that the current uptrend is over, or else all you are trading right now is the volatility. And when you are trading volatility, combine your price action with your OI data, you will get a good indication. Fine. तो वापस से अगर आपको माइक्रो देखना है, कहाँ पे प्राइस एक्शन पे सपोर्ट, गो टू 60 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम. 60 मिनट्स पे भी इफ यू गो एंड वॉच, अगेन देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ कंजेशन अराउंड हियर. आज पूरे दिन और कल का भी दिन यहीं पे मार्केट ने स्पेंड किया बैंक निफ्टी में. आर यू सीइंग दिस? The moment you have such congestion, इसको एक zone में बांध लीजिए. I think I have not enabled my right extension. Just give me a minute. Yeah. जैसे ही आपको इस the moment you saw price stuck in a band, even on a 60 minutes, just extend it. 1 second. No, I don't want right. मैं left extension करता हूँ. Yeah. Got it. Fine. So आपको ऐसे क्या करना है? You just have to take the base. I think left right both extension आ गया. I guess now I have done it. So ये low का है, and then this high. And this high अगर आप देखो, this corresponding to at or around the swing high on 60 minutes. आज भी अगर if we see today, market open and straight it hit this level. तो अगर momentum trader जो रहता है ना, he'll have to wait for a breakouts. So right now market is in a retracement mode. The moment कोई भी high hit होता है and market cools off, if low hit होता है market bounces up, it's a retracement traders market, which means patiently you'll have to wait for your levels. आप हड़बड़ी करके कहीं भी सौदा नहीं खड़ा कर सकते हो. Be patient, let prices come to your trading levels, that's where you initiate your trade. So that's what Bank Nifty is showing. All time high का resistance intact है. अगर आज का कैंडल देखें ना, तो somewhat it is showing me a shooting star candle. Shooting star में क्या होता है? It might not be a perfect shooting star, but I would say 80 to 90% is a shooting star, which means it has a very small real body and there's a big wick on the upside. Shooting star का indication रहता है. अब at higher level sellers are coming in, but if at any single candle patterns, we wait for confirmation. So let's see if today's low is breaking or not. So that's the Bank Nifty part of it. So let's go and then check the OI positions. If I go and check in Bank Nifty, or kal monthly expiry, remember that. Stocks and everything, it's not only weekly expiry of Bank Nifty, is Nifty. So excuse me on that. Tomorrow we have a monthly expiry. Or monthly expiry mein markets are, it can be choppy and volatile. So Bank Nifty mein agar hum straddle price निकालते, which is 61,300 both call and put, 263,175. So somewhere around it is coming to 438. And if you go and check the OI statistics out there, Bank Nifty में current price के आसपास 61.5 पे 10.44 lakhs का ओआई बिल्डअप है कॉल में, उसके आगे अगर आप देखो तो स्ट्रेट अवे 62,000। तो ऐसा लग रहा है फिर 61.5 और 67, 61.7 will come into play today as far as resistance is concerned. And on the support side, there is a big tower at 61,000. 61,000 put me, if you see, there is 12.68 lakhs open interest, which is the highest. Highest, let me go and check it out. So, in Stocko Incred Money platform, no, it's not the highest. Highest, I don't think 60,000, which is way, way down. So, we work or form a view at or around the current price. So that way if I see अगर वो हिसाब से मैं देखता हूँ तो 61,200. So let's see Bank Nifty 61,000 and 61,500, which is 250 points above and below the current price where the OI buildup is concentrated. Let it see what happens once you have the OI buildup in call and the put. Uh, they are fairly a good decent support and resistance till they are not breached out. On expiry day breakout आ सकता है, so keep that in mind. Is it fine, everybody? So that's the bank nifty part. The trend is still up because higher lows and higher highs are intact, and the uh, candle pattern is not a tail on the upside, it's wick. Fine. So there is a wick on the upside. Wick signifies selling pressure. All-time high पे selling pressure दिख रहा है. Resistance we are taking at all-time high, which is 61,700, and support at 60,965, which comes to at or around where the put OI buildup is at 60,000, 61,000 levels. Technical study in Bank Nifty is only at or around all-time high. Other than that, any moving averages price are far, far away from that. And OI buildup में अगर put में देखते हैं तो 61,500. So, and we'll again go and check it out. So 61,500 and 61,000. So six, and yeah, I've written it right. So 61,500 का put में build call में build up और put में 61,000, and the PCR is 0.94. So more or less OI buildup in call and put is same, but shade higher for the call side. And the straddle price is 438. So market ahead of a monthly expiry is cooling off a bit. Let's say tomorrow expiry is breaking the straddle prices or closing inside that range. So commentary is Bank Nifty is corrective, but today's जो wick दिखा है आज all time high के आसपास is reiterating that till we don't break that out, that resistance is holding. And all spikes out there right from 61.4 to 61.7, it's वहां पे जाके एक बार मार्केट रोक रहा बैंक निफ्टी, and it's reacting to 300 points or 100 points, which is a decent enough spike for a day trader, right? And after that gold में जैसे हमने देखा था कि there was this symmetrical triangle which is happening in gold. We also covered it in our weekly. So let me go to the futures and check MCX gold. So अगर MCX gold हम देखते हैं, sorry, this is MCX. So in MCX gold futures, this is getting taken out on the upside. अगर हम this thing. So gold is on a way up. Yeah, direction ऊपर में आ रहा है गोल्ड का. So gold can give us a spike all the way to 1,70,000 on the upside, and आज एक गोल्ड में गैप आया, upside gap. So अभी गोल्ड में जो nearest resistance है, which is this gap plus this candle, red candle, we take this. So gold now with support at 156,000 is showing an upward bias, and the momentum line for the gold on the price action side will be the flat line of its congestion, which is somewhere around here. So abhi tak breakout aaya nahi hai, which is 1,60,738. A break above this should see a decent move in gold on the upside, or downside mein aaj ka gap and that red candle support, which comes to around कहाँ पे आ रहा एक बार चेक कर लेते. Yeah, 1,57,292 and 154. This is a decent support for gold. So gold is showing traction on the upside, but for fresh strong momentum, wait for a breakout. So I'll just sum it up. So those traders who joined recently, please watch the recording. It will be updated within the next 2 minutes once we end the session. And that's how the plan for the Nifty looks like tomorrow, and Bank Nifty and gold. Right? And plus tomorrow morning at 8:45 again we'll have a pre-market, and we'll again have a check on the broader indices plus what's happening around the globe and specific to tomorrow's trading. And how many of you have gone through the weekly Substack? We are always coming out in the weekly Substack note. So I'll just take you to the Substack channel of Stocko Incred Money. How many of you are following us? So we are covering stocks also over there. Yeah, I'm getting lots of thumbs up. So this is the Incred Money part, notes, right? Make sure you go and check it out. The weekly note is a detailed one. And we had covered two stocks also. If anybody can remember, can you name those stocks? Let me see how many of you are remembering it. So we had covered, I think, Dr. Reddy's and Siemens. So make sure you go to the weekly note of Substack and you will find it. Okay. So this is the weekly note. Fine. Yeah. So that's all from my side today. I would always like you to read the technical note on the Substack plus the head start to get better prepared for the next day. So tomorrow morning, when everybody is coming to the session, fine, I'll do a check again. Have you read the head start, which covers into all the news flow and the fundamental pieces which had happened before the market opens, plus the technical note, and then we'll build upon the same and do the 8:45 sessions. How many of you are going to check the head start and the technical note on Substack by Stocko Incred Money? Give me either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Come better prepared. We'll enjoy our trading. Yeah. Only I got 1 yes, 2 yes. What about others? Okay. So that's all from my side, friends. Thanks. Have a nice day. We'll again meet tomorrow at 8:45 in the morning.